Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a small indoor jungle that I maintain. And before I move on to about 5 tips for happy houseplants or how to take care of your indoor houseplants, let me say one thing. During this lockdown, gardening has been a great support, and I'm uploading videos every day. I'm going live every day. So if you love plants and if you're at home and have some free time, how about you subscribe to my channel and I will tell you what all you can do right now at home. So without any further delay, let's go on and check out some indoor houseplants. Now I've balanced my camera on a pen, and now let's start about indoor houseplants. So this is money plant. Okay, very common. But I'll tell you one important trick in getting it long and bushy. Firstly, keep it near a light source. So I love to keep it on top of my fridge so that it's near a tube light. And then another trick is you should spray the nodes with water. If you spray the nodes with water, then you will get bushier money plant. So yes, spray the nodes. That's the trick with money plant. And then let's move on to another variety of money plant. This is called Enjoy Pothos. I love it a lot. This is great pop of color in your house. This is amazing. And looking at another plant, this is a bird nest fern. I love it. I love it just because it's big even when it has very few leaves. And that's a great thing about this. And another variation of Monstera is this one called Swiss cheese plant. You can maintain it just like money plant. The same thing with this. Water the nodes. Always water the nodes for anything trailing like money plant, like this one, or say for a wandering Jew, water the nodes. What else plant can I show you? Here is Maranta. Let's take this out. This is Maranta. And I just repotted it in a couple of live sessions back, so you might remember if you're subscribed to our channel. And this one is Peperomia. And I'll show you something else that you can do in lockdown. Not really an indoor plant, but an amazing thing. Microgreens. So these are microgreens I grew from sarson, or also known as rai. And these are microgreens from methi. Oh, sorry. This one is from sarson and this one is from methi. They're doing brilliantly. I've already started eating them. In just 7 days, you're able to get these. Now, let's look further. What about this snake plant? It's a beautiful snake plant. I love it. One thing with snake plant is do not overwater. Overwatering will kill your plant, especially snake plant. Do not overwater. Most plants are killed just because of overwatering. So when do you water? Comment below. What's your watering schedule? Pause, comment. Trick question. You should not have any watering schedule. You should water only when the soil is dry. Always check. I water my plants and I'm doing fairly well. I water my plants almost like once in 2 weeks, once in 3 weeks, because I check when the soil is dry. That's when I water them. I hope you do the same. And how to check? Just put your finger in the soil. If it feels wet or moist, do not water. And whenever in doubt, do not water. And I'll give you one more tip for great plants. Artificial light helps. Yes. So that bulb and tube and lamp, put your plants near that and they will do much better, much better. So we have done a couple of tricks here. One, in money plant, water the nodes. Just mist the nodes. And that's how they will grow longer. Second thing, artificial light helps. Artificial light will help your plants like anything. Then the third thing, overwatering kill. Do not overwater your plants. And if you're not new to this channel, you have already heard me say this a lot of time, but I keep saying it because people forget. Do subscribe to this channel. I share a lot of tips. And here I'll leave you with one more thing. There's nothing called an indoor plant. There's only low light plants. and low light plants still need light, and that's why artificial light helps. What are the other ways that you can give your plants light if they are kept indoors? Rotate them between indoor and outdoor. So every 10 days give them a day outside so that they can soak in that sun. It's almost like a sunbathing session or a spa session for your plants. It's a great time, and you will see that your plants love it. They will start thriving. And let me show you this. This is variegated rubber plant, and I know one plant that a lot of people love on YouTube. I'm not that big a fan, but this one. This is a fiddle leaf fig, and I have a gorgeous one. This I got, I think, for 250 rupees. It's a gorgeous plant. So, as I was saying, there's too many plants to cover today, but I am making a new video every day. Every day a new video. I go live at 4 p.m. and I'm doing videos. Even if you go back to our videos on our channel today, you will find in just like past couple of days, we have done topics like how to select a plant from a nursery, how to grow your microgreens, how to make sure about the light requirements. Light and water is such a deep topic. I have done 30-minute video each just on light for houseplants and water for houseplants. If you are really interested about plants, do watch them. They are amazing videos. I think they're one of my best videos ever, where we have gone in depth talking about light and water requirements of plants. It's amazing. But I can't end this video before showing you my favorite plant. Any guesses? Ta-da! It's Syngonium. I love Syngonium. It is so versatile. You can grow it in water, grow it in soil. You can grow it indoors, you can grow it outdoors. You can get it in amazing range of green colors. Then you can also get it in something like pink Syngonium. Isn't that amazing? Which other plant? Tell me another plant which gives you so much. I love my Syngonium. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you love this video, please give a thumbs up. I'm very new to YouTube. I'm still learning, but I've learned one thing. YouTube loves to know that people love this video. So if you liked or found anything useful in this video, please give a thumbs up. And do consider subscribing, because that way you can stay in touch with the new videos that we are doing. And I'm sure in this time of lockdown, some videos about gardening, about plants can be very helpful. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.